What's up, y'all? Welcome to my channel, The Globe Digger, and today I'm going to talk about a trip that I did a month ago. Yeah. I'm Chaitali Ghorke and I am a travel enthusiast, and recently I did the Chadar trek in Ladakh and it was awesome. Yeah, it went really well. And that's how I decided to come up with the travel vlog. You can follow me on Instagram. This one right here is my handle on Instagram. Follow me. Okay, now about my trip to Ladakh and an overall experience. I'm not going to talk about the experience right now. I'm just going to tell you a few things that I learned along the way. And I think that everyone who is going to Ladakh beforehand really must have this knowledge before they even book their ticket. So yeah, tips that you should know before you travel to Ladakh. Let's do this. So tip number one, when you're planning a trip to Ladakh, and especially when you're planning a trip to Leh, always check the festival calendar. Try to book your trip when there's a good festival. Ladakh has a beautiful culture. Ladakh has some amazing festivals which are so grand. So do some research before you go to Ladakh. Otherwise you're just going to be stranded in a cold desert with nothing to watch. If you're planning to go to Ladakh sometime this year, then I would suggest that the next upcoming huge festival is the Hemis Sechu. Yeah, it's a huge festival. When I was there, the banners were already up. I've written about it. I'm going to post a link down below. It's the biggest festival of Ladakh. It falls on 11th and 12th July of this year. So if you're going to go this year, then definitely try to catch it. Tip number two, always, and I mean always, do that web check-in thing as soon as it's available. I'll tell you why, my friend. I didn't want to do it. So I thought, what the hell, I'll just do it like once I get there. And I got there 2 hours prior and I didn't get a window seat. All the window seats were gone. People have paid 200 and 500 bucks just to get the window seat, which is worth every penny. And when I sat on the flight, when I entered Ladakh, and when I was making that uncle super uncomfortable by looking over him, I realized that I need to tell all my people to do a web check-in. Guys, it's very important. Do it. Tip number 3. Before I left for Ladakh, I don't know why people kept saying, you know what, it's really cold in Ladakh, you need extra warm clothes, it's really cold. It was not that cold. The cold was a piece of cake. It's really cold. Oh my god, it's really cold. It got really cold today. Oh my god, it's really cold. Boys and girls, nothing, and I mean nothing, works in that cold like our very own Vaseline. Just grab a small dabba of Vaseline petroleum jelly and you will be good to go. Tip number 4. When I landed in Ladakh, the biggest pain in my butt was not the cold. It was my goddamn handbag. If you're a blogger, a traveler, a photographer, a videographer, a vlogger, a travel writer, if you're going to be doing something, do not carry handbags. I guess everybody knows this. Maybe I was really stupid to carry a handbag. It was the biggest pain in my butt. It just kept falling, getting lost. I couldn't find shit in it. Rather carry a small sack or like a small haversack or something like that. That's much more convenient to keep your equipment in. Tip number 5. Have I mentioned earlier about how good looking the Ladakhis are? How good their fashion sense is? They look like they've just walked out of the backstage of like a London Fashion Week or Ladakh Fashion Week or some fashion week. They've got their, thigh-high boots, suede leather jackets, sheep wool, huge collars, and the boys are just like walking like they own a ramp. Man, Ladakh's got a really handsome looking crowd. But I didn't flirt.
लगता है बहुत हैंडसम हो हाँ
So naturally, the Ladakh market is going to have some amazing clothes, and naturally you're going to shop a lot because the stuff there is really good and super cheap. I'm going to make a shopping haul video very soon.
bought like so much stuff and I'm so confused because I don't know how I'm going to take it back. I don't have enough baggage. I'll probably buy another bag.
So that brings me to tip number 5. Please carry an extra bag. Fold it and keep it somewhere, but carry it. You will need it. Tip number 6. This one especially for people who are planning to do the chadar trek. Carry your bags with you. I'm going to link a video that I'm going to make on how to pack everything that you need on the chadar trek in a 30-liter backpack. I did it and I took it, and it was so much more convenient and so much more light, and I could actually do it. I'm going to show it to you how it's done. I'm going to link it below. So check it out as soon as I'm done shooting with the video. That is, I haven't shot it yet. Carry your bag when you're doing the chadar trek. Simple reason, because you are going to slip and fall a lot of times. When you fall, you're definitely going to fall on your bum. And when you're carrying your back serves as like a proper cushioning and also kind of like a savior, and you will not hit your head. So please carry your bag. It's very important that you carry your bag. Final tip number 7 is practice in your gumboots. This is also restricted to chadar people only. When you buy gumboots that you must buy only in the local market for 400 bucks, and walk around. Because when you wear your shoes and walk around in those gumboots, you will be able to mold those gumboots into your foot shape, and it will be easier for you to start walking on chadar, and you will fall less. I practiced my gumboots and didn't fall even once.
My first fall. It was pretty cool. This was almost like a second fall. Acha? Oh fuck! No way!
Okay, I didn't practice. I should have. And so should. That's all, guys. That's my 7 tips for everyone who's going to do a trek in Ladakh, or just even for like another general trip to Ladakh. These are some very random but important points which will come in handy, trust me. I wish I had known them before I went to Ladakh, so I thought I should share with everybody. I hope these tips are helpful for you guys, and please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share this video, and I'll see you soon. Toodles. I'm Chaitali Ghodke and I am a travel enthusiast, also an architect. I don't know if I should add this. Okay, now about tips and tricks you think before you travel to Ladakh. In the 3 days of acclimatization, and especially when you're planning a trip to Leh,